You know when you hit that afternoon crash and decide to take a quick 30-minute nap? You might want to rethink that choice right now, and today we will look at exactly why. You feel completely drained, reading the same sentence over and over again. You tell yourself that closing your eyes for half an hour will fix everything. But when you finally wake up from that 30-minute nap, you actually feel worse. You are groggy, disoriented, your limbs feel heavy, and your focus is entirely gone. What if I told you that sleeping longer during the middle of the day is actually ruining your productivity? Science shows that the perfect biological sweet spot to recover your focus isn't 30 minutes, or even 20. It is exactly 6 minutes. Today we are going to look at the science of the micronap, a targeted physiological shift that resets your brain without the dreaded grogginess. To understand why this works, we have to look at the chemistry of your brain, specifically something called adenosine. From the exact moment you wake up in the morning, adenosine begins to build up in your brain. Think of it as sleep pressure. The more decisions you make, the more stress you face, and the more screen time you endure, the faster this pressure builds. By 2 p.m., that pressure is so high that your brain literally forces you to feel tired, sluggish, and foggy. When you take a traditional 30-minute nap, your brain starts clearing out that adenosine. But there is a major catch. 30 minutes is just long enough for your brain to drop into the deeper cycles of sleep. When your alarm goes off at the 30-minute mark, you are forcing your nervous system to wake up from the deepest stage of rest. This creates a biological shock. That heavy, confused feeling you get is what neuroscientists call sleep inertia. You haven't refreshed your brain. You've just interrupted its deepest repair cycle. This is where the 6-minute micronap becomes a powerful biological hack. 6 minutes is the exact amount of time your brain needs to transition from stressed, high-alert beta waves, the ones causing your anxiety, into calm, restorative alpha waves. In this tiny 6-minute window, your brain initiates a neural flush. It clears out just enough of that built-up adenosine to relieve the pressure and lower your cortisol. But crucially, you wake up before your brain ever crosses the line into deep sleep. The result? Zero grogginess, zero sleep inertia. What happens to your mind after these 6 minutes is incredible. This short duration specifically repairs your executive function, the part of your brain located right behind your forehead that is responsible for decision-making, focus, and willpower. Because your prefrontal cortex just had a quick system restart, you regain immediate clarity. Problems that seemed overwhelming just 10 minutes ago suddenly become manageable again. So, how do you actually do this during a busy workday? You don't need a bed, and you don't even need to fully fall asleep. You just need to give your nervous system permission to pause. First, step away from your screen. Lean back in your office chair or put your head down on your desk. Second, set a gentle alarm for exactly 6 minutes. Third, close your eyes and bring your attention entirely to your breathing. To help your brain transition into this state quickly, you can use the 4 to 6 breathing rhythm we teach here on the channel. Inhale softly for 4 seconds and exhale completely for 6 seconds. By deliberately making your exhale slightly longer than your inhale, you instantly slow down your heart rate. This sends a direct physical signal through your vagus nerve, telling your brain to drop those anxious beta waves and enter the restorative alpha state much faster. You might not fall completely asleep, and that is perfectly fine. The goal isn't deep sleep. The goal is deep rest. You are just letting your brain hover in that calm space between wakefulness and sleep. The next time you hit a wall in the middle of the day, don't reach for another cup of coffee or try to force your way through the fatigue. Set a timer for 6 minutes, close your eyes, and let your brain reset naturally. Save this video to remind yourself later, and subscribe to the Breathing Academy to keep training your nervous system. See you next time.